Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Duet Abyss app not loading or stuck on loading screen or a black screen issue on Android phone. So without wasting a time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to just restart your Android device, and after your device restart, launch the Duet Abyss game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then the second solution is to check for Duet Abyss app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Duet Abyss and click on it, and if you find any update available for this app, then update it and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Third solution is to check for internet connection. So check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and check, and if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. If possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi or mobile data via hotspot and then check Duet Abyss game is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop or force close the Duet Abyss app. So tap and hold the Duet Abyss app and tap on app info, then tap on force stop and again confirm it, and then you can launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then clear the Duet Abyss app cache. So again tap and hold the Duet Abyss app icon, then click on app info, click on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then click on clear data and confirm it. Now launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Sixth solution is to allow the background activity. So again tap and hold the Duet Abyss app, tap on app info, go to the battery usage and then allow background activity. Select the first option and then again click on allow to confirm. Now go back and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, Octohide VPN, Proton VPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from Play Store, then launch the VPN app and connect to a different location than your current location, and then launch Duet Abyss game and check if your problem is solved or not. If you are already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. You can also update your device and check if your problem is solved or not. And the last solution is to reinstall Duet Abyss app. So if none of the solution work for you, then tap and hold the Duet Abyss app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it. Then restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Duet Abyss and tap on it and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after this app get installed, then you can launch it and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily solve Duet Abyss app not loading or stuck on loading screen problem or black screen issue on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.